Brief biography of Dr. Zakir Naik. Full name, Zakir Abdul Karim Naik. Date of birth, October 18, 1965. Place of birth, Mumbai, India. Profession, Islamic preacher, known for linking Islamic teachings with science and comparative religion. Education. Dr. Zakir Naik originally trained as a medical doctor. He holds a Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, MBBS degree. However, he later shifted his focus entirely to Islamic preaching and comparative religion. His work and role. 1. Islamic preaching. Dr. Zakir began his dawah, Islamic preaching, work in 1991. He is well known for quoting Quran, Hadith, and scriptures of other religions, like the Bible, Vedas, etc., with high accuracy and deep understanding. He is especially known for his ability in Q&A, question and answer, sessions with deep and logical answers. 2. Peace TV. He is the founder and president of Peace TV, an Islamic channel that broadcasts globally. Peace TV has programming in English, Arabic, and Urdu. 3. Islamic Research Foundation (IRF). Dr. Zakir founded this organization in 1991. IRF was engaged in producing and broadcasting Islamic educational content and organizing public lectures. Global recognition. He has delivered public lectures in many countries including South Africa, Canada, UK, USA, Saudi Arabia, and many more Muslim and non-Muslim nations. He often engages in interfaith dialogue and open Q&A sessions. Thousands of people have accepted Islam after attending or watching his lectures. Controversies and challenges. The Indian government accused him of spreading extremist content through his speeches and banned the IRF. Due to the political pressure, he left India and is now believed to be living in Malaysia. He denies all allegations and insists that his work is purely based on the Quran and authentic Islamic teachings. Conclusion. Dr. Zakir Naik is a prominent Islamic preacher known worldwide. His lectures emphasize the harmony between science and Islam, and he often uses scripture-based reasoning. He has inspired many people across the globe toward Islam. Though he has strong supporters, he also faces criticism and opposition in some regions.